हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, एबे हमें कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड 20 क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस करबा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर? ऑप्शन ए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन, ऑप्शन बी पावर मशीन, ऑप्शन सी इलेक्ट्रिक मशीन, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दिस। सो राइट आंसर इज इलेक्ट्रिक मशीन। Second question. A dash is an electronic device that processes data and converts into information. Option A computer, option B processor, option C input, option D data. So right answer is option A. Question number 3. Dash is a processed information by computer processor. Option A number, option B processor, option C input, option D none of these. So right answer is none of these. Question number 4. What is ATM? Option A branch of bank, option B staff counter of bank, option C withdrawal of cash without staff, option D all of this. So right answer is option C withdrawal of cash without staff. Question number 5. Meaning of data processing is dash. Option A collection of data, option B doing calculation, option C preparing information for business, option D none of these. So right answer is option C preparing information for business. Question number 6. Part of a CPU with coordinates all function of computer and other compounds. Option A motherboard, option B coordination board, option C control unit, option D ALU. So right answer is option C control unit. Question number 7. Data going to computer is called dash. Option A operate, option B input, option C calculation, option D flowchart. So right answer is option B input. Question number 8. Input is modified into output by dash. Option A peripheral, option B memory, option C storage, option D CPU. So right answer is option D CPU. Question number 9. Which one of these is not a characteristics or a function of computer? Option A data collection, option B data storage, option C data processing, option D data output. So right answer is data copy. Question number 10. Which is called data in computer? Option A number, option B symbol, option C information provided, option D information containing number and symbol, option E none of these. So right answer is option D information containing number and symbol. Question number 11. Information in computer is called dash. Option A data, option B number, option C symbol, option D stored data, option E none of these. So right answer is option D stored data. Question number 12. Which is part of CPU? Option A keyboard, option B ALU, option B printer, option C tape, option E none of these. So right answer is ALU, arithmetic logical unit. Question number 13. What is EDP? Option A electronic data part. Option B, electronic data personal. Option C, electronic data power. Option D, electronic data processing. So right answer is option D, electronic data processing. Question number 14. CPU stands for dash. Option A, cover processing unit. Option B, control processing unit. Option C, central processing unit. Option D, all of this. So right answer is option C, central processing unit. Question number 15. ALU stands for dash. Option A, arithmetic logical unit. Option B, logical operation. Option C, data storage. Option D, arithmetic large unit. So right answer is arithmetic logic unit. Question number 16. Which of these is a CPU? Option A, chip. Option B, box. Option C, circuit. Option D, peripheral. So right answer is option A, chip. Question number 17. Basic operation done by computer is dash. Option A, arithmetic operation. Option B, logical operation. Option C, data storage. Option D, all of these. So right answer is all of these: arithmetic operation, logical operation and data storage. Question number 18. Dash is called brain of a computer. Option A, CPU. Option B, monitor. Option C, modem. Option D, software. So right answer is CPU. Question number 19. Which of these establishes link between VDU and keyboard? Option A, printer. Option B, mouse. Option C, CPU. Option D, terminal. So right answer is CPU. Question number 20. Which part of the computer is used for calculating and comparing? Option A, ALU. Option B, control unit. Option C, modem. Option D, disk unit. So right answer is ALU.